Hey hen, what do you do? I lay eggs. Wow cow, what do you do? I give milk. Gibby, what do you do? I make honey. Snail, what do you do? I carry my house on my back. Caterpillar, what do you do? I turn into a butterfly. Excuse me, elephant, what do you do? I squirt water. Funny firefly, what do you do? I light up in the dark. Tell me, tadpole, what do you do? I turn into a frog. Let's have a word bird. What do you do? I build nest. Ah, ha! Kita! What do you do? Wait. So tell me, Beetle, what do you do? Are you ready? Read my mommy and my mommy Lila. I walk! That's what I do. What do you do?